Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation has unveiled a landmark scholarship policy designed to transform Tobago's creative and tourism workforce. The goal is clear: strengthen the sector while honouring those who paved the way.
The Division's Tourism Scholarship Program is essentially about legacy and sustainability. When we assessed the lay of the land, if you want to call it that, and we recognized there were critical gaps that needed to be addressed. And if we are serious about responsible tourism development, the workforce cannot be ignored.
The Tourism Scholarship Program isn't only for students. It's also for active industry professionals and even uncertified workers who have the experience but lack the formal papers.
We expect that there will be an expansion and need for skilled persons in different areas, and that is where we're kind of forward thinking with the program. There's no more traditional conversations where any sector is concerned. Every single sector is embracing the use of technology, and we have to be able to upskill our persons to meet the future needs of Tobago.
But this isn't just about the future, it's about honouring the past. Specific categories are named after Tobago's own legends.
A lot of them have had notable careers, Mr. Hernandez, Mr. Titus, and we felt that this was a very, very excellent opportunity for us to highlight their contributions and to enshrine their legacy in something that will bear their name for as long as the program exists.
The scholarships are the George Stanley Beard and Ansel George Scholarships for Sustainable Tourism, the Royal Axbach Titus Scholarship for Creative Arts, the Edward Hernandez Scholarship for Archaeology and Museum Studies, the K. Allen Meloni and Leandro Honourees Scholarships for Performing Arts and Music Production.
And my siblings, my entire family is in full support of this program.
We are truly appreciative of the recognition that he got today.
I was taken aback by the fact that he was honored with a scholarship, and the family, they are generally elated.
The Tourism Scholarship Program is an investment in capacity building to ensure that the workforce is not only world-class but uniquely Tobagonian.
If I wanted to apply for a scholarship, I would apply for the K. Allen Scholarship because I like to sing and I also have an interest in performing arts. I would love to pursue that when I get older or finish school, and I think that is a major reason why I would apply for that scholarship.
To qualify, you must be a resident of Tobago for at least 3 years. You'll need your academic records, 2 recommendations, and a personal statement outlining how your studies will benefit the island, along with other supporting documents. I'm Juliet James reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.